to my channel, everyone. So today I have this Cosmic Space Princess Festival slash Pride slash crazy summery look. It is a lot of products and I'm going to be reviewing this glitter that I have around my eyes. So if you like tutorials like this or other crazy tutorials, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss a video from me. And let's get started. So for my brows, I am taking the iMethod Liquid Eyebrow Pen. This is a product that iMethod sent me and I did a full review on my channel, so I will link it down below and up here on a card. Moving on to the eyes, I'm just going to take the NYX White Eye Base and prime my lids like I normally do, because we are going to be laying down a whole bunch of shadows. Big fluffy brush, I am just going to go in with color Titan from the Jeffree Star Alien palette and lay this down as our transition color and color to set the primer with. So I'm just going to brush this all over the eye, and I kind of use circular motions just so that all of the primer ends up laying nice and flat and there's no creasing. For my crease color, I'm going to take Flying Saucer, which is this kind of emeraldy green, and I am just using a Sigma E30 brush, and we're going to start kind of tracing out where we want everything. So I'm just going to take the deep color and lay this out in my crease. A Delium Tools brush and just blend this all out so we have nice soft edges to work with. Now taking a flat brush, I'm going to go in with Abduction, which is this like neon green, and we're going to put this on the inner half of the lid. Now taking a Luxie 239 Precision Shader brush, I'm going to go into the color Probe down. And I'm just going to tap this on the outer corner. And now using an angled brush, I'm just going to blend this out. For eyeliner, I'm going to go in with the NYX pencil in Electric Blue. And use some Lancome mascara. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this deep purple color called Area 51. I'm just taking a really small brush and getting right on that lower lash. Sometimes it's a bit easier if you just use packing motions, because then you can really get up close to that waterline. I'm just going to take a smudger brush to kind of blend it out a bit. Taking the NYX matte bronzer in medium, I'm just going to take this fluffy brush and bronze my whole face. I'm going to highlight with the Makeup Revolution Mermaid Scales Liquid Highlight. Now that we have that really festival type glow, I am going to add some glitter from iMethod. This is another product they sent me that I'm reviewing today, and this is their Let's Beauty Together set. It is the unicorn glitter set, and I will open it up here. So in this box, you get 6 glitters, all meant for kind of around the face and body, not necessarily on your lids, but you get 6 glitters and 2 tubes of eyelash glue. Today I'm not going to be using eyelash glue, I'm going to use the Too Faced glitter glue, but you get 6 glitters. There is a gold, there is a kind of pink and green and purple one, there is a hollow glitter, there is a chunky hollow glitter that has diamonds and hearts, a white glitter with a pink duochrome that is moons, stars, and hearts, and then you have the actual unicorn glitter itself. So today I'm going to be using the white and kind of pink duochrome glitter. All of these come with a safety seal so that they are nice and protected when you go to use them. But first I'm going to lay down the adhesive around my eyes. I'm just going to go up and around. Being an eyeshadow brush, I'm just going to kind of pat this out so it's not one spot. It kind of blends in with my foundation and my highlight. Taking that same brush so the glitter actually kind of sticks to it, I'm just going to start patting the glitter on my face. You can kind of decide if you want them like really clustered up like there, or you can do them more sparse. I think I'm going to kind of add some more, like you can really build this up to however you want. You can create like a gradient effect. For the lips, I'm going to stick with the purple theme and use Run the World from NYX, and this is a liquid suede, so it'll be nice and matte. Last step, I'm just going to put a little bit of gloss on. This is the Urban Decay Vice Special Effects lip gloss in Glitter, and this is going to kind of match the glitter around the eyes. So I'm just going to put some of this on. So that is the end of my Cosmic Space Princess Festival / Pride look, whatever you want to wear it to. I mean, brunch with your mom, maybe, I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and review. I hope to see you in the next one, and make sure you check out the description for all the details about this makeup look. I hope to see you in the next one. I already said that. Jesus. Alright, make sure you subscribe on your way out.